Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Do you want to know how I style this hairstyle for my daughter? Watch this video till the end. First, I moisturize the hair to enable the hair to be soft because I don't want to apply much gel on the hair. So it's recommended to moisturize your hair before you start applying anything like gel to it. So it will make the hair soft and very easy. And also it will not make the kids cry when you are making their hair because when comb is not sticking or stalking in the hair, it will make it feel comfortable while making their hair. So first thing I did, I made I cut two parts of the hair. This hair is not much, but it's very beautiful. So as you see that I am big there. So I just decided to choose this easy hairstyle for my daughter. So first thing I do after I applied Shana Jam a little, very little on it, I use comb to comb it. Then I use brush to brush it. So this comb I bought it set. So I just use brush to brush it to make the hair smooth before I use rubber band to hold the hair. After doing that, then I just braid the hair. This is how I do from the beginning of the hair till the end. So what you're going to do, you're just going to um, make all the hair like this. Then before we start using the male hair to do it. So now we're done with the back. Back is 2. Here is going to be 4, which is 1 here, 2 at the middle, and 1 in the other side. So, and the front is going to be also 3. So the hair is big. But if your child hair is not long, you can make it a bit smaller. But because of this style and because of my condition, so I decided to make it bigger. So, and you know, this buff hair is kind of, when it's too much, it doesn't have fitting. So it is better when it's big. You know, when you part the hair big, it's more better because when it's too much, except when it's too much, you don't make the hair you want to add to it, you also don't make it big. It will be like very small buff that you want to make. So yeah, that's just it. The hair is very simple to follow, and yeah, that's it. So now this is how I part the front. So when I was packing this front, I kind of shift my hand one side. I didn't put it in the middle. The reason why I did that, because I don't want the hair to fall on her forehead. So I want the hair to bend to one side. So if you look at it now, when I pack it one side, which is the side I am moving it to now. So this is the side I want it to go. So this is the last two parts we're going to be parting. Then before we add hair to it. So thank you so much for your time, and I appreciate you all. If this is your first time coming across my channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Both my old and my new subscriber, God bless you all. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In this channel, we'll do more of hair than every other thing. Yeah, I make my children hair, my hair, and some people hair too, or some of my friends hair. So this channel is all about hair. So thank you, and please do help us to share our video. That's a little way you can also support us. Thank you, and God bless you all, both my new and my old subscribers. So you see the way I'm doing this video now, because of that little part inside, I just like the look in there, the look I have in there. So I use the comb to smoothen it before packing it, and it stayed. It's really it makes the style looks unique, and I like it. So we are done with this part. So here is the 3 packs I'm going to be using. So I use crochet to put. I cut the hair, because when you bring out the hair is long. So I cut it. I split the hair into two. So, and before I put it under the braids, so it's not that tight. So you put the shorter part. So you hold it along with the hair. So yeah, before you use the longer part to cover it, also take a little piece of the long hair. So before I split the hair into two, I remove some piece. So that's the one I'm using to do the flogging. This is what I'm using to flog it now. So because we are going to fold it later. So this is how the style we are looking for. So this is why I said, if you do the pattern more tinier, you have to also add, when you're adding this hair, you have to also make it more kind of little. Don't make it too big, because at the end of the day, when you fold the hair, it's going to be too big. So when it's too full, there will be no fitting, to look somehow. So, and when I was flogging the hair, I didn't take it too down, so she don't start crying that the hair is too tight. So guys, I hope you understand how I explained it, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Keep watching, guys. Watch this video to the end. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also help us to share. This is the only way you support us. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you all for coming back to watch my content. So now this is how we're going to finish the hair. There's no two ways about it. So after which, Another thing I want to talk about this hair, if you know you cannot fold it the way I'm folding it, so you can also do it when you are using the crochet. When you're putting it down, I didn't do that though, but I just want to explain it. When you're putting the hair down of the hair, don't just remove it, just let it fold inside. Then you start flogging it, which is, there will not be, the tip will not be out, so that when you just with flog it to the almost to the end, you see get your hair, your style. Maybe next time when I want to make the hair, I will make it that way, so you guys will understand what I'm trying to explain. Like if you see the way I'm folding it now, I do it almost at the end of the hair. So if you know you cannot fold it like that, maybe it's difficult for you like that, you can just let it stay under. Don't bring it up to come and fold it up before you start flogging it. So guys, this is how we end the hair, and I'm just going to add some packer to it. Then we are good to go. So simple hairstyle, stressless hairstyle, and good for me. You know, I don't have to stand for too long, and also good for my madam that I'm making it for. She don't have to also sit for too long and start complaining, mommy, it's taking too long. So we just made it and we are done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Same time, same week, on Tuesday, on Tuesday, 6:30 p.m. That is when we upload a new video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.